The harder you chase a shadow, the faster it runs. Likewise, the more you want her, the less she wants you. It is the cruelest paradox in attraction. You do everything right. You text first, you show up, you try to prove that you're the one. But instead of drawing her in, you're actually pushing her away. You start to wonder, is it something I said? Is it because I did not do enough? But the truth is simpler than you think, but much darker. She did not pull away because of what she did. She pulled away because what she felt. And what she felt was that you were trying. Men are taught that attraction is built through effort. Work harder, show more, prove your worth. But women don't fall for efforts, they fall for your energy. And when your energy screams, I need you to like me, she feels it like a weight. You can actually hide your words, you can fake your tone, but you can never hide your energy. And energy never lies. Every move you make to convince her only creates resistance. Why? Because the more you try to make her feel something, the less she will actually feel it. It is not a game, it is actually biology. Her psychology is designed to feel polarity, but polarity can't exist when you are the one bending. Attraction is tension. It is mystery and uncertainty mixed with safety. When you chase, you kill that tension. You take away her reason to be curious. Watch closely the next time she is with you. That whenever you try to impress, she relaxes, but in a way that says, this is not exciting anymore. But when you are calm, grounded, and still, she starts to wonder because you stop performing. That is when that attraction begins, not when you move towards her, but when you stop moving at all. She would understand your worth when you are not trying to suppress her emotions and just make her like you. Think about that one man. He is not the loudest. He might not be the one who is the most good looking, but when he walks in, the air shifts, the energy slows down, and that is not charisma. That is stillness. It is the stillness of a man who does not need attention to feel powerful. He does not try to be seen because he knows he already is. That energy is magnetic because when you stop trying to control how people feel you or see you, you are finally giving them the space to feel you. Women actually don't fall for what they see, they fall for what they feel. It is not about saying less, it is about meaning more. It is about existing in a way that says, I'm already enough. Not trying works because it comes from peace. When you stop chasing, your attention turns inwards. You stop giving your energy away and you become present. Presence is the loudest signal a woman can feel. She will start thinking about you when you're not around, not because of what you said, but because your silence felt different. This is not about pretending not to care. It is actually about being okay if she stays or if she leaves or walks away. I don't need you to choose me. That's the energy that shouts. I have already chosen myself and I don't need anyone else to choose me the way I am. Now, this is what makes her respect you. That is what makes her so curious. So stop overthinking. Stop trying to be liked. Every time you do, you're saying, my value depends on you. The moment you return to stillness, the pressure disappears. The truth is that you were never supposed to try. You were supposed to be just you, the real you. And the real attraction does not start when you win her attention. It starts when you are you and she could feel your presence. When you master your own presence, she would feel you. So stop chasing the spark, become the flame who is ignited and looked for.